Aloha and welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about secure data destruction. It's part of our larger cybersecurity resilience and physical security section. So let's jump right into it. This is this is the most easy to understand section, I believe, of all. And we're going to be talking about data destruction. So first of all, we're going to talk about data destruction when we're dealing with paper documents. So a lot of this is going to be common sense to you. One of the first methods for destroying data is to burn it or to, things on paper documents particularly. You can burn it. You can turn paper to ash using a high temperature incinerator. You can shred the documents, and that's going to shred it, cut it up into little diamond-sized confetti-like shreds using rotating blades. You've probably seen them. I have a personal one. In the office that I used to work in at State, we had a big one, and I think they have industrial services for doing that as well. You've got the process of pulping. Pulping is a little bit less well known, but pulping is when you're going to create a soft mush called pulp. You do that by soaking the papers that you're trying to destroy. So you soak them in water, and then you add bleach to take the ink off of it, and that creates pulp basically. So those are the three ways of destroying paper products. How about our digital data? Well, with digital data, we've got similar processes. One, we've got hardware shredding, and that's what you would think. You'd take a hard disk, you'd put it into an industrial shredder, and it would shred the hardware bits into little tiny metal pieces using specialized blazes. Then you've got pulverizing, and pulverizing is basically just smashing it over and over. But of course, we're talking about industrial equipment here. It's going to take the hardware that you've got and turn it into tiny fragments or powder by crushing. So this is really strong stuff. And then the last method we have, which doesn't actually destroy the body of it, is you've got degaussing. And degaussing, it's gonna wipe the data from the magnetic media using very strong magnetic fields. So you've got different types of you've got different, I wouldn't say tolerances, but different levels of magnetic strength that you have to use against different types of materials. A tape is going to be different from, let's say, a hard disk or something like that. So you have to match the strength of the magnets to the job at hand. And that is it. We do have 30 third-party destruction that's mentioned in here, and that's basically when you hire a company that has specialized equipment to do all this work for you. And once they've destroyed it, they'll give you a certificate of destruction to the organization, so you can outsource this type of stuff. And that's it. That's our destruction topic here. Pretty easy to understand. You're destroying paper documents, you burn, shred, pulp. And then when you are talking about digital, data, you've got hardware shredding, pulverizing, and degaussing. And you can hand this off to third-party organizations that will do it for you for a price, and they'll give you a certificate of completion when you're finished. So that's it for this quick chapter. I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.